let me show you the third mode, isolating booster. Therefore, we grab the Raptor and go over to the slave base. So now I set this up to be isolating booster. We go in here to the input, and if I do now arm, you're gonna see that this input triggers the output, and I can simply, oh, I need my enable back. Here we are. So, and now I can simply fire through this one device, and this will re-amplify the signal that we originally give from this device. So if this would be a very extremely long cable run, you would get a completely refreshed signal out from here with full power, and that of course helps, especially the older FM types, FM3s and FM4s. Okay, so these were all the 3 operating modes